you kidding me right now? Seriously? Do you see how fast that was? That's like a ninja. He's like a ninja with like a machete. I don't know. What happened to my tongue? I'm looking really, really good today. I mean, check me out. Seriously, check me out. Notice anything different? Anything? It's just me today. Can you believe it? It's just me. No Dionne, trying to take over the show. She's like, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna be in the video. And I'm like, we'll be okay. I got it. No, I got this. This is my first live, not live. Wait, Matt, is this live?
No, Iris, this is not live.
Okay, this is not live. Recorded? Are you recorded?
Yes, we're recording.
Okay, alright, cool. Alright, well, anyway, we're gonna have a great time. You know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna take old art and we're gonna cut it up, mix it up, like jambalaya style, and then we're going to put it back together again. It's gonna be awesome! You ready to do this? Matt, you gonna help me out today?
Yes, Iris, I told you I would help you out today.
Well, that's fantastic! Because Matt's gonna get on the TV.
No, I'm not getting on the TV.
Tell me you're gonna get on the TV.
No, I don't want to be on the TV.
Why don't you want to be on the TV?
Because I just don't want to.
Alright. Well, Matt's gonna get on the TV today, but he's gonna help me.
Yes, I told you I was gonna help you cut stuff up and work the scissors and stuff like that.
That's fantastic. That means I don't have to do anything but creative. Oh yeah, baby. All right, let's do this.
Thanks, Iris. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. So anyway, what were you using? Could you like explain to everybody, or do you want me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay, well, let's see, you had scissors, you had old art, and you had, what's that thing called again?
It's called a box knife.
What's a box knife?
It's used to cut boxes.
No, we weren't cutting boxes.
I know, but it was just easier. It was easier to cut. But you have to get your parents. You have to let your parents help you with that. You can't use that on your own.
Okay, well, that sounds good. I'm not even sure what you said right there, but you did a good job. Good job. You gotta get on the TVs with me? Seriously. I mean, look at me. I'm like staring over here at you, and they don't even know what I'm looking at.
No, thanks, Iris. You've got this. You're doing a great job.
Thanks, appreciate it. Okay, so what Matt did is he cut all that stuff up like you've seen, and we made like a bunch of figurines, like little bitty figurines of, you know, not a penguin. That's not a penguin. That's a flamingo. Yeah, flamingo. It's a pink bird. You know the pink bird flamingo staying on one leg. That's from one of our painting episodes. And I cut out some robots. I cut out a dog. Or I didn't cut it out, but cut out a dog. And we cut out some water. And so basically we have like little puppets. We can make like anything we want, any kind of story. And I think it's really fun to make different stories. And I think we should do some different stories. What do you think? Okay, so what I did, now I'm gonna have to tilt the camera so you can see it, okay? But it's really cool. I'm gonna explain it to you, okay? So Matt, could you turn it down a little bit? Matt!
Yes, Iris, what?
Could you please turn the camera down? Oh, God, new help these days, Jiminy Christ. Okay, great job, Matt, by the way. You did a really wonderful job. Can you guys see me? Can you guys see me? Okay, so I'm like laying down on the painting right now, and I may go to sleep, so...
Iris can't go to sleep. Come on, let's tell them the story.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right, so here's the story. Okay, you guys see my flamingo? Yeah, see my flamingo? It's in the water, and it's floating, okay? So that's what I thought. It's like floating, you know, like cruising around, you know, like, what's up? How you guys doing? You know, so it's sitting there, it's floating around, it's having a good time, sun shining, and it's going, what do I wonder? I wonder, what if I was a robot? Okay, we got some robots up here. Kind of looks like Matt, Dionne, you know. And I put them in a tree. And Matt's giving Dionne a flower. And it's like really cool. Okay, so they're like, it's like that little song, you know. Matt and Dionne sitting in a tree. Kissing. That's pretty funny.
Iris, stay on task.
Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. Okay. And they're sitting in a coconut tree. And Matt's giving them a flower, giving Dionne a flower. And then so like they're in the tree and they're thinking, you know, kind of like the flamingo was. You know, the flamingo was thinking, wondering about all this stuff. And then so what if the robots were thinking? They're love, you know. They're like, hey, let's get married. That'd be really cool. And so they're thinking, and they were thinking about, a dog! Yeah, they're thinking about a dog, see? Just a painting of a dog we did is really, really, really good. Okay, so they're thinking about a dog. And so, it's like the flamingo was thinking about robots, the robots were thinking about a dog. That's my story, you know, because you gotta think of a name for the dog, you know what I mean? You gotta think of a name, And so, I was kind of thinking they were gonna call him, Matt, what's a good name?
What about Harry?
Really? Harry?
Okay, what about, Ninja?
Okay, you're not very good at this. Okay, we really miss Dionne right now. Okay, so, well, that's my story. Okay, but you know what? You can make your own story about whatever you cut out. Seriously, are you gonna turn it down? Or what are we doing here? Okay, what are we doing?
Well, I mean, Iris, do you think I could come play?
Well, yeah. I mean, do you really want to come play with me?
Well, I mean, I'm here. I'm helping you. I mean, I would absolutely love to tell you my story.
You have a story? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Do I have to help you?
I mean, you can if you want, but I think it's kind of fun. Because now I can move yours all around.
Well, that's actually a really good idea. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is my story. Can I take the dog out?
Sure.
Okay, so we've got a flamingo, right? And he's in the ocean.
The ocean?
Well, I mean, okay, how about a lake?
Yeah, okay, lake will work.
Okay, so the flamingo's floating in a lake, and it doesn't matter which lake, any lake. And the robots are riding on the flamingo.
These are really, really small robots.
Well, this is a giant flamingo. It's like a dinosaur flamingo.
Oh, okay, that's pretty cool.
Okay, so they're riding, and there's nowhere to go. There's no land in sight.
It's a really big lake.
Yeah, it's a big lake, okay? So they keep going for days and days and days. Now they're getting really sad. Then all of a sudden, they see trees.
Yeah, what kind of trees?
Well, I mean, we could take these trees, they're palm trees. They're coconut trees.
Okay, I like where you're going with this.
Okay, so they tell the flamingo, hey, Mr. Flamingo, why don't you go over to the trees so we can get on the trees?
What kind of voice is that?
I don't know. It's just a play voice. You gotta have voices for your characters. For Matt and Dionne. So they're like getting really hungry and they need to eat. So they go over and they're going and they're going and they're going and they're going and they finally get caught up to the tree, right? Now what do? Can you help me with this one?
Well, yeah, they're gonna eat.
Well, yeah, that's brilliant. But yeah, okay, that's my story.
Really? That's all you got to tell you in the story?
Well, I mean, I'm sorry, but I didn't really quite think it all the way through.
Well, I mean, that's okay. They really had a good middle and our beginning and middle, but we'll just work on the ending, okay?
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Iris. Appreciate it. But so you liked it?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is fun. You can do this like all day long.
I know. We can cut out more pieces if we want.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Well, do you want me to turn the camera back up now?
Yeah, let's do that. Hey, that was really good stories. I mean, I probably had the best story, but Matt, he did a good job. He did a really good job over there, Matt. I'm gonna have to give you a B plus. Yeah, B plus.
A B plus?
Yeah, B plus.
Well, why just a B plus?
Well, I mean, that's pretty generous considering you had no ending.
Well, I mean, I've got my ending now.
Well, okay, well, let's hear it. Huh.
Well, they were going to the trees because that's where the only flower, it's like the most, it's a flower that nobody else has, and that he was trying to give it for his girlfriend.
Really? That's the best you'd come up with?
I mean that's all I've got.
That was brilliant! Oh my gosh! You're the best. I mean, seriously. I mean, if I went from another planet, I would think you were my dad. I mean, you're brilliant. Really, just brilliant. Did you guys hear that? That was awesome. Okay, so like the flower was like, the one of a kind, and they were going for days just so he could get his girlfriend, like a flower that nobody else had. Brilliant. I almost thought I shed a tear right there. I mean, seriously, it was great. Well, anyway, this project was actually really, really fun. And I want to thank Matt, because he's pretty much the best. And we had so much fun. And true, guys, this was fun. Make characters, make up stories. I mean, you guys, you could do all kinds of stories with your mom and dad, or your friends, or your dog even. Even your dog, get your dog in it. Like Abby kind of helped us a little bit. She was like, no. She's like, and I was like, okay, good idea, man, way to go. And so we used some of her ideas. It's like really funny, and she's pretty good. So with that being said, I feel kind of weird, I'm gonna dance all by myself.
I mean, I'll dance over here for you. I mean, I'll be off camera dancing.
Really? You're gonna off camera dance? Why even dance at all?
I'm sorry.
Huh?
Well, hey Iris, I actually have a joke for you.
You have a joke for me?
Yeah, I actually do. It's actually pretty good. I mean, you always talk about jokes and you think you're really good. So how about you put this on for size? How does a scientist freshen her breath?
How does a scientist freshen her breath? How does a scientist freshen her breath? Dionne? Oh wait, she's not here.
You give up?
Maybe.
With experiments. Seriously, that was really good.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, yeah, all right, I get it. That's pretty good.
Well, I got another one if you want to hear it.
Okay.
How do we know the ocean is friendly?
How do we know the ocean is friendly? It waves!
You got it, that's right.
Oh, I knew that one. I think I've told that one, like, back in the first grade or something. But that's a good joke, man. You're doing a really good job. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Iris, thank you.
Well, I've got one for you. Okay, last joke of the day. Okay, this is a really, you gotta think about this one. And, Dionne's not here, so we don't have to worry about watching her go like this. I don't know. So, okay, you ready? What building in New York City has the most stories? Give up, Matt? You give up?
Yeah, I mean, that's a really good one. I would say the Empire State Building.
No! The public library! Get it? Stories? Oh, that's pretty good right there. Public library, get it? Stories? Books, stories, got it? Matt, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it, Iris. I was actually really clever.
Yeah, I didn't think of it myself, but I kind of did, so I'm pretty the best. Okay. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. And next week, we're going to do... What are we doing next week?
I don't know.
I don't know, but come back because it's going to be awesome. Bye-bye. Dance up. Tell you what, if you get on screen, you'd probably replace Dionne.